devlog month 6. I don't even get a scenario yet. It's actually decaf because it's been a little too late to drink normal coffee. Who cares? Hi there, Blaze here. Thanks for joining me in another video about my space shooter game where you're steering the drone to fight aliens and protect the Earth from invasion. This video is about February changes, so without overextending this, let's begin. Last month I implemented behavior which is performed at the end of the level. First, camera stops moving and soundtrack is stopped also. Then, if there are still enemies on screen, they will assault from top to bottom trying to hit the player. If player will survive this attack, there is an animation where player fly away from the screen on the zoomed out camera. After that, mission past window is shown. I also implemented system for registering various entities, however I currently use it for enemies only. This is how it works. I add special component for the object I want to register. Then I set params like tag and register unregister method, like on enable and on disable. After launching the game, when on enable method of this component hit, this object will be registered in a registry system with selected tag. Boring. This is real optimization because I don't need to use find object with tag function anymore when I need to access entire pool. I updated how spawning enemies work. There is no more dynamic spawning new divisions when player moves forward, because instantiate is an expensive function in the meaning of performance. Now I'm just instantiate all enemies at the beginning of the level, just after generating the background, disable them and they will become active when player is nearly. This should remove any FPS drops on slower phones and should be easier to balance the game in the future. Next big update is about weapon choosing system. Firstly, I had a plan to improve system for upgrading the weapon, but choosing weapon have more sense for now. Upgrade will be added later. Of course, I created UI for this also, and when we are talking about UI, I've redesigned all the UIs in the game. In game panels, to be more accurate, because main menu is still work in progress and how it looks right now is not how it should look in the nearly future. This involves a refactor of the entire UI system to make the code easier to read. I also created pixel art fonts for the UI, which should be available on the Unity Asset Store soon. Currently I'm still waiting for QA review. Maybe you guys want a movie about sharing stuff in the Asset Store? This is what we have all been waiting for. Ladies and gentlemen, save system. Maybe I'm not a column discovering America, but it's really nice that we can save the progress now. I've also fixed some bugs in the game. One bug was preventing the player from starting a new game after leaving to the main menu. Another bug was causing the music to continue playing, even when the menu was displayed, causing synchronization issues. Those bugs are now fixed, and the game should be more stable overall. I've also prepared some development tools that can be used on both the editor and the phone. These tools should make it easier to develop and test the game. Finally, I've set the word randomization based on the player's level. This will help balancing the game, which I will be working on in the future. And for now it's all. Hope you're doing well. Help me please reach 1000 subscribers milestone in upcoming months by subscribing. You can also hit the thumbs up button if you like the video. See you soon in upcoming video. Bye!